Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to turn off Jeep Compass interior lights. The primary way to control your interior lighting is through the dimmer switch, typically found on the driver's side of your instrument panel. Simply rotate this small roller switch all the way down. This will effectively turn off all interior lights, including the dome light, and also dim your dashboard display to its lowest brightness. Beyond the main dimmer, your Jeep Compass also features individual overhead lights. These are usually located on the ceiling in the overhead console. Each map or reading light has its own dedicated switch. To turn one on, simply press its button. To turn it off, press the same button once more. This allows for precise control over specific lighting zones. Your Jeep Compass is designed to conserve battery power. If left on, interior lights will automatically turn off after about 15 minutes once the ignition is switched off. For more modern models, you might also find lighting controls within your Uconnect infotainment system. Just tap the vehicle icon on the display, then navigate to the Settings tab to adjust various interior light features. If your interior lights remain on, first confirm the dimmer switch is not rolled all the way up, as this can keep them illuminated. Also, verify that all doors are completely closed, as an open door will trigger the lights. If problems persist, it could indicate a faulty switch or door sensor. For complex issues, always refer to your owner's manual or contact a certified Jeep dealership for assistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.